Let him come online. Kaime, this testimony analyze. And onye nyekwan the testimony. Governor Ezioku, I really want to see you. Governor Ezioku, but online, please. Actually, can I do a live video together? For my own observation, Governor Ezioku, you your own observation without offending Woke or offending anyone. Actually, face reality. Please, if you are just joining us, hello? Please, Jordan, I have already on the live broadcast, please. Hallelujah. Join now. I don't want to say anything until Governor Ezioku is here. Governor Ezioku, please come online. So someone got Ezioku. So someone with Jpac. As so many people used to call me. So someone with Jpac. Kakwako Igbo wa Pewasiako Igbo. Someone with Jpac na Governor Ezioku you the main truth. I have found the truth. And the truth I gave on fair eba. Oronyana to ego. Governor Ezioku, where are you? Come online. Chief of Staff is here. The Chief of Staff to the Federation is here. Mr. Live video. Open okay, many bloggers we bro. Hey bro the video. Open my video na after 1 month. It delete here. Yeah, Facebook they delete the video after 1 month. Live video. So how they keep the live video? So open a message live video. It will be on the channel for so that bloggers will carry the video. I'm only waiting for Governor Ezioku to join. I'm on at this page. Got name broadcast. Game and channel name broadcast. Who there when they will be called? I'm going to page in name broadcast. What you know at Jpac comedy. We are not here to insult anybody. Madanato can me analyze. Number one. Hello? Now Chief of Staff now. I gave analyze 3 different people. Number one, the gear limited the testimony. Number two, nde name testimony examine before any testimony. Yeah, when they na eme interrogation because nde when they give us a quarter testimony before he may allow you any testimony. I will analyze those people. Analyze how they give any testimony. Then analyze how the prophets made the prophet say I better not then your testimony. Governor Ezioku, where are you? Well, if you are not here, I can be doing my life. Enjoy the ZM and Yasara from there. Number one, let us start from the Mughals, from the idiot set of people who may allow that testimony. I'm going to be evangelist Ebuka Obi, Nobuna, Ochopoho, hooligans, and the touts. Now they are not there. Now they may be their ministry. Do you know what it takes someone to fast and pray? We make the we members, we ministry, we we hear we boibu. Ka group of touts, group of idiots, uncultured people, people who are not, watchful, who may allow such testimony abenye na altar of God without proper examination. Unu may allow evangelist Ebuka Obi actually all those touts they, number one, they are not holy. One. Number two, they are not sanctified. Number three, how are they not purified? How are they spiritually inclined? Somebody better be the testimony, because there's nothing on earth that will make you to come to that altar and give testimony without being examined. All people get me examined. It is not evangelist Ebuka Obi that will come and examine testimony. All people get me examined. However, those people say about the ministry. Any the with immediate effect, and also, or they will come and answer. We may such testimony allow, where they know that even a madman will know that that testimony is not real. We may allow that testimony. See, let me tell you, some egombute, should I block you or should I leave you? I will not block you. Let me allow you. People may allow. Can I make testimony as a mean? Testimony, you know, bro 1, bro 2, bro 3, bro 4. And with multiples of testimony. Also, only this spiritually inclined. God could on that place so that they are correct testimony. Or man, only testimony by RNG, or about somebody will fabricate something. Because now only had the longing to see evangelist Ebuka Obi, or the longing to see evangelist Ebuka Obi. Then you know Ebuka or one story gadika as an achineka rock ezuboro. Obviously about whose book we may allow go use the microphone, go when we can call full evangelist Ebuka camera we bue. 70% of people na be your testimony na church book a camera we bue nya. I be a joker, and I told you people, and I cannot use because na I'm a joker, be a cut on doka. Only family more be a spiritual man. I'm a spiritual man. I will use spiritual eye and see that thing. No matter that no man under hand as you offer. Man, only I cannot come and stand. Be a good to somebody. Hello? Chief of staff online. Okay, I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you. Accept to see. In as much as Jpac and here joker. Guy, I follow Kebe's joke. I will not follow multitude to comment talk rubbish. God bless you, Lanya.
Jpac, well done.
Please, my message might not go well with you. I am telling you my own observation as a spiritual man. I'm a spiritual man. In as much as people might be seeing me as a blogger. And I see my own thing on my own way. Now, I'm analyzing this thing in 3 dimensions. Number one, analyze of the people who allow that testimony to be given inside church. That's number one. Number two, analyze about the girl in question begging testimony. 2. Number 3, I might analyze about the prophet himself. Now, I started from the person, the group of people allow can examine the testimony. Number one, I said that those group of people are working in Cana. Had the Cana. A madman will see a testimony is well saying now fabricated. God cannot do. Guy, a person there go 80 million, 90 million, 100 million in any again, he can put the glory of God in him or her without being told or without or without being examined by the Holy Spirit. Without needing the Holy Spirit to tell us that guy, even if I don't carry motor, I want to disguise myself, my skin will tell you now I'm okay. The physical appearance will tell you what I wear, what I if they tunde, guys, I'm with you okay. Dabima allow people, people that open evangelism becoming against the end. Many people now there now make a testimony, and some are the mean, and then as a habo, no how abunya. Hana Rokade or Kade to Chineke or how many maybe a minister. Problem and the Ibon Anabo evangelism going today, but because of members of the church, that mean and in there not even anything have deputy Jesus or how
Jpac.
Nanda. Do you want to say something? Huh?
Jpac. Mbagara game findings about this man, Mr. Jonathan. I was on this social media space. A lot of people say now go to go and do that.
Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, that man keep at log.
Yes. And I came to this Lagos from Port Harcourt. I paid my flight to come and do that findings. And at the end of the day, for me, I don't know about you. When that man, and what did that man made that thing? That man came there on his own. And when I say this thing on live camera, a lot of people were like trying to bash on me for something I did freely, just to go find out. And on that camera, on that camera, I asked the man, Obu Menya 5 million naira, for example, to tell me the gospel truth that if he would do that, the man said yes. You see, okay, can you tell me exactly who paid you? The man did not do that. Now, let me tell you, I don't want to join the multitude to condemn or to start talking about that video. I've seen so many things. Sometimes, even your younger ones will fabricate something against you. In as much as I will not support or submit in total defense to Zion Ministries, some of us, like me, I'm still watching. I am still watching. And when you make a live video like this, a lot of people will backlash you right now. Some people will say, some people will also say that you're against Zion. But I think I saw the video you made a few minutes ago. So people will stay far to understand it. But for me, I believe, or I would believe, that thing is fake or real by the time I decide to do my findings into that. If I decide to do my findings wherever that lady is, I will find her and go. And I'll ask her questions to know exactly what transpired. And if possible, from my location here in Lagos, if I'm going there, I will on the camera till I get to where she is, and I'll be able to ask her very few questions on live camera. So that is it. But you see,
Listen, let me tell you. Jebafa, Jebuamama, everywhere, Nene. Okuna as a word of Abraham a prophet, but not as a spiritual man. That girl came there to trend. She came there purposely to trend. Let me tell you, I have been to so many ministries, and I have been to where they are giving testimony. I don't go people now when you came here, just because they want people to see them. Are you hearing me?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you listening? Just because they want people to see them, they want crowd to see them. How about na miracle mere ha? Na ga ngwa gị. Mgbe amụrụ m na Catholic Church, emesịa my father si na Catholic pụọ na-eje church ọzọ Pentecostal. Ihe na gwada kata bụ nya ihe mere life. Anyị ga retreat n'ụlọ ụka. Ọ bụ onye ụmụ ya kụrụ ngwọrọ, nwa ya kụrụ ngwọrọ. Ana asị na ị mara Chineke mere gị mma. The woman abịa ihe testimony na nwa ya agabaghị ije, just because na ka kamera wee bue apụtakwa nwa ya ahụ akwụkwọ nwa ya ọtọ, nwa ya anaghị aga ije. Akwụkwọ boy ọtọ, ọ sị na Chineke mere miracle, and onye sị na onye ọ na-ekwu na God used that person to do miracle amaghị onye ọ bụ, amaghị abịa akwụkwọ onye ahụ ọtọ, onye ahụ anaghị aga ije, and onye ahụ ọ nọ n'ihu dị ọta wee mere testimony. My God, just give God the glory. God, I thank you for what you have been doing with you. Man, no, we're in that SND. One. Oh, we're in the now, but I'm their testimony. Listen, let me tell you, many people know that now Ebuka Obi a trend. It was going okay, let us use the other girl, let put testimony about working a wine. Oh, when once the microphone bahara on, they will say something that will go viral. I don't defend anybody.
believe
Listen, let
you.
me tell you, I am not defending anybody. Have you seen inside church? I a joker. Some people will say, Jpac, I want to go work. When somebody is saying something on his own mind, they associate it.
How much are you paid?
I don't know, my brother.
Okay.
Listen, let me tell you. Also, let me put that today. May my guy. This job where this person do, I like him. You know, I'm ready. Okay.
Okay. What is your findings? Have you been able to make your findings about that lady?
My findings so far is that girl is able to trend. Tia 5 million. That girl came there to trend. That's all. That girl was 100,000 account. She just came there and
it's not idea to trend. How come she went and downloaded a video?
Nanya ejim video zenko no be zenko kan me mbepe ejim video no be zenko kan me mbepe ejim you can get video anywhere. Video is everywhere. Duplex and estate do everywhere. Here from Lekki standard. Ona Lekki standard. What that girl was 100,000. That girl was 1 million account. I'll give her 5 million. That girl was 1 million account. She just came there to trend. Or just wait, okay, look at what, go and watch the video. You know, you didn't analyze that. Watch the videos now. Go and watch video again in Enugu State. Shop here. Look at how Tata and everything, how the shop is. I'm not going to the shop the Tata do, but the shop does not have anything written to compare with millions of naira on your road. In
Enugu Koshi be Lagos.
That girl Enugu State.
Then do you think somebody will leave Enugu and come to Lagos just to come and give fake testimony?
People leave Canada, okay, now do you think people will leave Enugu? But why? But people leave America and enter flight come to Lagos. America and Enugu are they not okay? Get it so close and near that.
Jpac, is that possible? Madishi Enugu via Lagos. Jackie Enugu with a video. Anyway, you have more access than some of us.
Wait. I want to. Somebody say, Jpac, don't blame the girl. Go and see the full video. First call the going in open heaven. It's confirmed. Arrange. I don't know. I don't know watch open heaven. I don't know watch. I don't know here by sentiments. I don't know watch open heaven. What I realized or even talk about that particular video. I don't know or now watch it. I don't know open heaven and I don't know watch time in the major hole. I don't know. The particular video.
Jpac,
trend. Yeah.
Jpac, can we leave everything we are doing and pick a date one of these days? Tracy, go to that lady. Let me ask her a few questions.
I don't know
even if you don't have that chance, can you get me her details, full information, so that maybe I will trace her myself?
This is my finding. Listen to me. I gave you two prophecy. Number one, the mistake is from the people who are allowed testimony. There is no way that girl will come to testify without being examined. People that examine that girl was so fast to believe such stories. So that the miracle name or not the thing trend miracle trend. Without knowing that girl better go trend, yeah. Listen to me. That girl came here to trend. You know where Ebuka Obi video. So that see or tag it to videos or for videos. Once they a microphone, none of those or happen. That's one of the
anyway, Jpac, the truth is that this matter does not this matter does not concern me.
Wait, 1 minute. I want to join issue. One, I want to join issue. Now, this thing now is like equivalent to that lady ate the microphone. No. The next thing by the no to no for husband. Now they go say that they were prophet. And I said, where is the man? Where is the husband? I said, the husband is standing before me. Ụmụ nwaanyị juru n'ebe chọọchị na-abịa ka ha wee nweta Ebuka Obi ka Ebuka Obi wee lụọ ha ka ha wee bụrụ woman leader ka o wee bụkwa na ha nwa bụ the wife of the prophet. Ihe niile ịfụrụ ha na-eme, many of them, the fault is from the people who never allow to come and give the microphone for the first places. So yesterday, I don't trust Jpac. Jpac said the truth. If you go here, they could have. Otherwise, I asked that Jpac is very. The Jpac is idiot. Jpac is mugu. Then Jpac basically what is the way it is. I don't trust Jpac. They have paid Jpac. I want him over.
Okay. Jpac, I don't know the extent of your findings, although I have not looked into this deeply. Neither would I have the time to do so. I don't think it's necessary for me.
Somebody said, I can get the girls' details for you guys. Please, I need it. Can prove what about the Ezioku. Now that girl has nothing to do with the coming of Zion. Can go about the Ezioku. What do you
I am not arguing you, okay? I'm not arguing with you. The only thing is that I said I would like to also have her details so that I'll be able to do my findings also. That is if need be. That is if I decide to look into it.
Bet 2 million. That girl, Jena may interview. I swear. That girl got wagging on my anybody me. And I will pure. I don't know what church you are. If you go in a church, in an American church, when I talk well.
You mean from Enugu to Lagos with a video as a mistake?
Anyway. Church, no? That was Enugu care back, I like this.
No wahala.
Let me tell you, open are dangerous spiritually inclined. They can send somebody to you. Okay, now I can wear myself with an example. Mari agogo moro. Muno 100,000. And my time I agree. I say with that card number. Nega monfio. Mu with that card number. Just okay. I'm send the card number. Now I go on Monday. Rwanda where meta mbara hora the spirit me I was na I need the prophecy to tell me about anything. I don't know na same nefa set up. Don't collect that money. He has set up. They want to set you up and get you. More the person knows the Bulgaria, yeah. The plan and you cannot go. Or block what was.
Oh wow.
So all Bruna, Namajana fall into that trap because of Vunda Fuego. Came Marco. Monday genius said here, the opposite here. Yes, let us come to yes. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I'm not being here, but no good. I'm not going to get mockery. Say yes. Will you marry me? To me, I believe in here mockery. Maybe also need to get where me here. Bob not to read you when we make a guy viral. I can say the viral. To me, all made the girl mockery because now I believe now all this spirituality in that message or on that conversation on that moment. I believe no. Yeah, more I say yes. No, go where the girl may go one in a moron. In the analyze, as I said earlier, where was I on even out of my car, one look at war. I was saying it before now, since government said, no, everybody in the men did it, no car. Time, also got a bro, also got a bro,
Jpac, to me, eh, for me, ihe bụ okwu gbasara ndị church, okay? And I decided not to be. I decided na aga m etinye ọnụ, especially when it has to do with Zion.
Yeah, this is better than live video. Or the way he keep here to say there. Organization ku amatara ga se onye eziokwu gente. Listen. Ebe olilanye se onye eziokwu governor eziokwu. Can you just say the truth?
Will I say anything when I've not think about? I got man had stressed. Okay? I've been reading this since morning. I've been reading this since morning. Since morning. I can't get them half. So I will take my time and either decide to look into this. I decided to keep quiet. You understand? Because whether you like it or not, even after you share this video now, if you like, say the gospel truth there. If you like, add it up anyhow. People will still fight you here. Possibly members of the same ministries will fight you. So I wouldn't want to involve myself in the best, because whether you like it or not, no matter how you strengthen the truth right now, some persons will surely fight you or be against you.
Okay, what are the truth, if I may ask? Hello? Hello, governor eziokwu. Can you hear me? Hello? Ebe no network out there ebe no. Hello? Hi, network. Let me know whether I can add him back. Aquatia. Hey, Jideke. Nah, Mary has agwale ogo. You make a laugh small, I beg. Nah, somebody's opinion is now payment. She need to get the move. Onye guzie is her mind about agwale ogo. A ton of one cook and KF for that. I say, Bonnie, idiot. Guy, I stand on my ground. It is my own analysis. You will later, if you guys can save this video, because Facebook need delete the video every 30 days. If you guys can save this video now, nothing but the truth. If I say so, just say save all the video. Inquiry, but I don't have this guy better go trend there. That is all I want to say. The girl actually came to trend. My brother, I don't have support any church. That is one you know women support. You got but I'm a Christian. You got that. Support. Nobody go fee buy me. I don't know women, nobody go fee pay me. I don't collect money from anybody. Anybody. So that if I go up, I will tell you for your face, say, nah, you fuck up. But somebody may get them and say, this is what way you do, it's good. You got that. So I don't follow multitude. I'm a spiritual man. And be a spiritual man, I don't follow where you follow. As a spiritual man, I don't follow where crowd they follow. I they follow where my spirits they led to follow. Go and come back. Quote me anywhere. That girl came to trend. That's all. She actually came to trend. The same way, work up at the log to where they call trend. Everybody, in this social media, if you want to go viral, I only blame people that interviewed the girl before coming to give her testimony. I blame all the girl. I blame Kwani Chepa, Boka Break, blame the people made an interview, made a allow or any testimony. On that, it was tomorrow. My brother, I don't send any bagger. I don't send any idiots. I do my own thing the way the Spirit of God led me. I don't do things to please any man or any woman. I know they please any man. My brother, if you want to say anything, say anything. I don't belong to any particular ministry. I don't belong to any ministry. I do my own analysis the way I want. The only blame evangelist one day work able go people that. I'm no that get to do buckry. Guys, like I will start blocking idiots immediately. I don't give time to a motherfucker. Maybe they're right. I don't be tell cool there. I don't do things to please any motherfucker. You understand? Your hairs, man. I don't give a fuck to anybody. Can't see the fear of legal team. Who is the legal team? Come on, get out from here. We have a legal team. Come on, get a fuck from here, man. Block all those, bro. Some legal team. Which legal team? Turn way upside down. Get those, bro. PM. The next one was supposed, bro. This guy, bro. Imagine you will write all this rubbish with your fake account. If you want to challenge me, come and do video. If you want them to court immediately. I'm gonna make a video to not favor of some people. Hey, Jpac boy ready. Jpac idiot. Jpac boy. Jpac. I don't talk about. So this guy never block you. I thought I blocked you. Let me block you. But I'm go good. You like you believe, you like it. I judge you on. I don't want to hear say you got a lot of those social media for saga. My brother, whatever you see on Facebook, HR believe you. I'm an HR happen. I tell you never happen the truth. See, let me tell you, I don't take any fucking advice from Facebook. Fucking advice from any fucking people here. You understand me? I don't take any advice from anybody here on social media. Nobody tell me truth here on social media. All of them, they are all hooligans, charlatans, nincompoops, all of them. I don't do things to please any idiot. I do things the way I want. And if it doesn't favor you, get out and get lost. I do my own analysis. I must not please you. And my own analysis must not be balanced with your own. And don't expect me to. I'm a spiritual man, and things I do it spiritually. Me and you were not born the same day. We are not created the same day. You don't have the same mindset. You don't have the same. See, let me tell you. Atu organ in Hatrum Naro, for Iga by now. By now, irego ready sicha. Irego ready sicha. Scangwage. Oh, see, Dibia. That's why and then they get problem. Dibia, I'm able to with Jpac. You understand me? Ogu, I'm able to it's not today against where I'm at. It's not today against where I'm at. It's not today against where Jpac at. Blood, if you insult, I will not block you, but email me insult and block because I can't remember sending you my account number for you to credit me. I send the beheading account number. So email me insult on my own space, I will block you. If you want to advise me, go to my WhatsApp and advise me, not on Facebook. Then you want to advise me on Facebook, you advise me as a brother. It's your insult and call blocking, make a report and block. Because when they send the account number here to credit me. So I do my thing the way I want to do. You like, yeah, you take. You like, I'm a spiritual man, and I do my own spiritually. It's something I saw in the spirit that this girl very trendy. And you don't want to believe me. Okay, fine and good. Why not log out from my page than to come and and I got more. Also, but olive oil will kill. Now, olive oil is just a fruit extracted from tree. Olive oil, guy, let me tell you, all Jpac. By now, in fact, I just I can't go mama. I just I can't go mama. All Guam able to Jpac. Remember how many Dibia go against me? Guy, go, I want to go with how more go ready. Even Sibio what they very far. And ever since I realized that they must be over, they very far. No go, Mother Jacka walk for you. I may move Jpac. I'm saying it here on Facebook. It's not going to move Jpac. That all will turn against you. Today, what is happening to Akunara Tugo? Akunara Tugo, the refight Jpac. Today, Shrine, we see AC go Shrine 1. Akunara Tugo have work at the boss. Who knows when he will come back? Because I know that he's not ready to come back. Ayarando Tromnaro Sebekono. Ayarando is begging a good guy. It's Jpac red, but I did a day. But gonna have a Jpac. No, what from kingdoms we have to. You know the kingdom. Jpac is a photo. Call my name in that your shrine. Open you have a problem. No more. Open you don't have a problem. A man over more with Jpac. Those things doesn't work. All gonna roll that on Facebook. Guys, my page because I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to say things the way it is. Oh yeah, come on. Come the kuru. Emenu or the injure. A man or the injure. If the guy against this people. Guy, you look if he buy me. Tomorrow you may came Nkucha and name my spirit. Your mom should be what dress here in here or real. Awesome, they are real and cool to head. So from Nigeria, I have equal to us where they attack again. Where is the money on my body? They go. Usually, they're going to build on him. So that if I chop the money, I will not say I chop the money with insult. We go follow the money, not it's not like one a bill on the bill we're gonna. Because if better did you catch me, guy, in this life, always know the world is where over. Always know where you come from. In this life, always know where you come from. Do you understand? Earlier, the better you realize this, better for you. Know where you come from. And if you realize where you come from, the jacka where war cannot find you. As long as no human being ne kume, jacka where may anything. Unless na baragebe. More piago to by no spiritual ogu. Onya in a go, just take Onya and a kingdom now, mara level honor. If you not go against that person. Says Onya and a spiritual, mara level. If you not go before now, I'll be against that person. You check it, Onya have gagi na kingdom. I'm not gagi na spiritual war. You probably won't go. I'm not going to bubble that is I made the Jpac. Jpac. You are just doing content. I don't do because other people are doing. I do my own way, the way I want, not just the way I want. Not just doing the way I want, but I'm doing the way I was led by the Spirit. My spirit and your spirit will not be the same thing. I couldn't be harmful. When I was here, that girl to trend. Simple. Take it or leave it. If you don't want to take it, it's none of your business. I can thunder fire your generation. Ala to wa onu. I can Tony. Msiju onu. Emo wege die. I can Tony. Asen gini. Ala do wa onu. Msiju onu. Ena abia akọrọ m ị obi ajụrụ ajụ dịka gị ị na-aza Ike Anthony data Anthony a ga-eto gị n'akpa amụ ezi nwa bingo na mam ị na-abịa enye papa gị advice egwu ndị ọma bịa o egwu ndị ọma bịa o egwu ndị ọma bịa o adịbe egwu ba egwu ndị ọma bịa o Hey! Wherever. You dot. Margarita. Abanye ka miracle. New product. Products. Margarita. 5 liter. I want you to come with it. I forgot what I did. I want to let you in. Let's go there. I never like. I don't believe what 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 I don't believe what
I don't know if
You don't have come on.
it's
You know the same, eh?
I don't know if my network work on that.
Man, I'm about to in Frankfurt. Oh, Frankfurt, you know, where's your
Nna Jpac ọ gịnị dị ka ịmakwa n'ụtụtụ mmadụ zitere m ife na mbịarụ live agbara aja na-ada ebe niile
Mama, ya ona balance.
ọ bụrụ na ịma na-ekwuru ara agbara aja na Facebook ndị mmadụ eche ma ọnwụ onye chukwu maka agbara aja ọ na-adị maka ọ na-etikwa pikchọ onye a na-ekwu ka ama onye a na-ekwu maka ya onye ọzọ eme emeta ife ndị mmadụ ewere 2x2 pịa gbuo
Ma, gị nwa nwere gbasara gị na egwu na-akwa n'egwu na
ebe ndị mmadụ jizere ebe ndị mmadụ jizere anọkwa m okwu
in fact, somebody called me. Somebody I respect so much. Somebody I respect so much called me. Even you, he called me. Come put your stop. So that because I'm gonna find out now the guy know they get followers, but never video they will followers. So doing video calling his name, what's it? So I had to just stop. You understand me?
enere m ife ọ dị nọ na ife ọ dị mụ ha sọpọtụrụ ya maka imego vidio maka akwa bikọs ife abụọ gbasara gọọmenti onye na-eme yakwa oborogbo a nụrụ nwaanyị ọfụ gọọmenti gachanyere nwunye gị emere gị ime gị ife kwesịrị ime as a friend.
Did you get idea come 2x2, Abi?
Ajụzi ma ọ chọzi ọnụ onye ga-abara eze anụ mana nke mejọkwu ya mana ihe maka ị ga-adị ibu too much ama na ife okwuru adọrọ mma mana ị gakwa adị ibu ihe na-ewetunata aka
Yes, it was the mega deep too much.
Inwe ike normally inwe ike barịa mba niile mana iji egwu ọ na-eti wee ga dip akwadoro m dawa ama na ife okwu dị very bad mana iji
Mba, I'm a very good. I'm a very good. Wedding.
Wedding ka ihe egwu okwu ya gada a na-anwụtara anụ egbe n'aka wee jụọ ma nwaanyị ọ na-eri mmemme onwe m wedding
This year gave for 3 years.
ịmara ọgwụ a mụrụ m ịghọta ọgwụ a tụrụ ime Chineke
No, man, give us all this year gave for 3 years. Or maybe I menopause.
Jpac.
He never enjoy good governance. He never enjoy good governance. Not a trade. They never have money. Again, I need to go to trade. No wonder asking about Nigeria. It's sitting there for a
enwe nwatakịrị akwa na ndị ọcha makwa ụdị mma asọkwa ndị ọcha ma enwe nnọọ nwatakịrị na nwatakịrị bụ mmiri ọnwụ chee ka m bịa ebe tọrọ kamera
ama na ama atụgo nga na evidoro mmadụ
mba
mgbe ọ na-achọ
amakwa
oh, does it didn't take permission before videoing the person.
Warum kein Englisch? Immer Deutsch. Isi moto pia gbuo bichi na kwa ogo. Mass we mo back. No. Jpac.
Huh?
Oh, by 8 again na cho me me. As okay. Maka atọ mu na ba atọ.
Where no be
Take book
why?
na ni
Okay,
ba.
enter where no be why?
Mgbe enu ya nwaanyị tọ na onye tọ ga-akụ ya. Take book na ni Igbo mmekwu.
Ya kwa akụkọ. Akwa ga atọ nga. Ga atọ
Oge mo no nwaanyị mo no
atọ.
no be nwaanyị onye tọ mmadụ atọ ọnụ.
Na be ka how will I see that video again? That your video you guru akwa ga atọ nga atọ. Listen to me atọ nga atọ. Akwa ga atọ nga atọ.
Eyi mba nwa akwefu nwa anwa post vidio akịta eji akwa ọgọ nje chọta vidio a post ege ndị mmadụ ga-eji ha ma pịagbuo akwa ọgọ. Ife a na-eme kịta ka m gwara afọ ọkụ na daa vidio data ya butuo ọka bụ obere nwa ya butuo.
A na-eme na obere nwa Wizkid adị afọ ole wee bụrụ milionia.
Wizkid
waja
Hi,
chọghị adị onwe I wish na waja we add ọ na-adị error.
ịma aga na ada enwe ezigbo netwọk.
Mana ebe ọ na-etukwu ọnụ na ọnọdụ oyibo ọ na-ala bekee ọ na-ala bekee.
Mba ga na-enwe netwọk a na-enwe ụmụ China phone a waja na-eyuzu.
M na-abịa ndị a hapụgoro gị peji gị ịmara ndị abịa kụchie peji gị na-ekuzi ime na Facebook abịa gbuo karịa gị na-emegharịzi ahụ ndị a ji peji gị hapụgoro gị peji gị mana abịa pịachie peji gị kemgbe ị na-emegharịzi ahụ
achụkwara peji mana ịmana onye na-azọ ịmana apụta mme vidio post ndị mmadụ asị m because of Facebook money ajụ na ajụ ọ bụrụ na Facebook na-enye m nri for more than 1 year page mebiri emebi ọ mgbe ọ na ndị online na-eti ime akaụntụ na-ahịa ego waja oke mmụọ
ajụ na Facebook mere gị visa iji jee Germany ihe adịga be nwoke dị afọ m windo dị ihe adịga be nwoke dị
Jpac kedu mana ka ntị aka ajụjụ ya ụmụ nsogbu unu na-eme gịnị ka unu ala n'ụlọ abalị
nsogbu na-atọ ụtọ
eziokwu unu na-atara anyị unu na-agbanị mmadụ emenwu ya
onye ga na-ajụ bụ waja na like war abalị tata cherekwanị abalị taa ị ga-afụ waja ga-asị unu join me by 9 o'clock let us analyze this girl with 90 million naira duplex
waja monde ha maka ọ na-abịa
watch ya ndọpụta life mmara ga join ya because
send go run that video aja na agbara nze talk about it agbara nze post this so the mother na kene maka na ụwa o nwere ka nsi afụ ụwa nke ikpeazụ a
nna hapụ aka mere ọrụ ọbụgo salary ịma anya
onye ọbụla Facebook na-akwụrụ m ụgwọ aka m anya oge na ahịhịa na ọ mgbe ọbụla ntinye akaụntụ onye ọbụla na-atụrụ m ego ụmụ ụwa anya waja were aka ntọdụ gbanụ mgbogbo onu fonu waja ụmụ China fonu anyị ma sometimes ya na netwọk garapụ
ụmụ ihe Android a I go see Samsung ya na ma ọ bụ iPhone
waja goro Samsung ma iPhone
ọ na-like ụmụ ihe Tecno ọga ma ọ bụ Samsung ma iPhone ọga you're not using phone
mana onye ka data ọgwụ na waja data ọgwụrụ agwụ
ọ bụ Ghana anaghị enwe na mana Nigeria ya na ajụkọ anyị mabe ọkụ aba na-eko Ghana mana mbọsị njere Ghana iti Ghana 50 cedi It's you got a 50 seed under 1 day, 2 days. Forget that thing, I beg.
ike gwuru mana enwere ile ajụ m chọrọ ịjụ ndị be anyị a na-anọrị na comment section na-aba sọsọ mba na-akpụ ya enwe one question m chọrọ ịjụ ndị a na-ede ife question si wee wepụta ego gote data tinye na fon ya jee na peji onye ọ na-alaikịrị nọ ebe afọ na-akpọ iyi na-ewesi data ya na-ewesi time ya na-etinye onwe ya stress n'arụ.
That is African man for you. Stupidity we are now. And I'm going to that data. Say you are wasting my data. As if to say no, you're a Biko. You know, or I say you are wasting my data. I don't say no, I beg. Also, no, the phone is not the issue. The problem is the problem is not Facebook. I say because
I have a phone.